What if I told you that every night as you close your eyes, you step into a hidden world? A realm where the boundaries of reality blur and the impossible becomes possible. A world where ancient civilizations believed God spoke through visions, and where modern science struggles to explain the mysteries of the mind. Welcome to the enigmatic world of dreams, where the soul wanders and the subconscious reigns supreme. But what if dreams are more than just random thoughts? What if they are messages from beyond, whispers from the divine, or even glimpses into the future? Stay with me, because today we're diving deep into the secrets of dreams, from the ancient sands of Egypt to the cutting-edge labs of neuroscience. By the end of this journey, you'll never look at your dreams the same way again. Let's begin our journey in the ancient world, where dreams were seen as sacred messages from the gods. In Sumer, the first known written language, dreams were called mashar or mashar, meaning messages in the night or visions of the dark. The Sumerians believed dreams carried divine instructions, warnings, or glimpses of the cosmic order. Kings and priests would record their dreams on clay tablets, seeking guidance from the gods. In ancient Egypt, dreams were seen as portals through which the soul could travel to interact with gods, spirits, and the deceased. The Egyptians even created dream manuals like the Chester Beatty Papyrus to interpret these sacred visions. Similarly, in Mesopotamia, dreams were considered divine revelations, with the Epic of Gilgamesh showcasing how dreams guided the hero's fate. Across these ancient civilizations, one truth emerges. Dreams were universally regarded as a bridge between the mortal and the divine. But what does Islam, one of the world's great religions, say about dreams? In Islam, dreams hold a place of profound significance. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would often ask his companions, "Has any among you seen a dream?" after every Fajr prayer. The Quran recounts dreams of prophets and common folk alike, each carrying divine wisdom and meaning. For example, the story of Prophet Joseph, and his interpretation of the king's dream is a testament to the importance of dreams in Islamic theology. Dreams in Islam are categorized into three types. Number 1, true dreams. These are considered a form of divine communication and often carry glad tidings or warnings. The true dreams are often given to those who are righteous, but is not necessarily limited to them. The story of Prophet Yusuf, peace be upon him, in Quran tells us about 3 dreams. One is of Prophet Yusuf, peace be upon him, one of 2 prisoners, and one is of king. Number 2. Bad dreams. These dreams are from Shaitan and are meant to disturb or frighten the dreamer. The Prophet, peace be upon him, instructed that when one sees a bad dream, they should immediately seek refuge with God from Satan, dry spit 3 times on their left, turn to their other side and not share it with anyone. Number 3. Ordinary dreams. These are reflections of one's thoughts, emotions, or daily experiences. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Nothing remains of prophecy except glad tidings." He explained that true dreams are a part of prophecy, offering glimpses of the unseen. But how do these ancient beliefs align with modern science? Modern science has made significant strides in understanding the mechanics of dreams. Sleep is divided into several stages, with the most vivid dreams occurring during REM, rapid eye movement, sleep. During this stage, the brain becomes highly active, creating intricate narratives that often defy logic and reality. Neuroscientists believe that dreams serve several purposes, including emotional regulation, memory consolidation, and creative problem-solving. For example, dreams may help us process traumatic experiences or rehearse solutions to real-life problems. However, science has yet to fully explain the phenomenon of prophetic or spiritually significant dreams, as these often involve elements beyond the physical realm. One of the most intriguing aspects of dreams is the idea that the soul leaves the body during sleep. Islamic scholars, such as Ibn al-Qayyim, describe how the soul travels to the heavens, encounters other souls, and even glimpses the unseen. This journey is not limited to the righteous. Even sinners and disbelievers experience it, though their dreams may be muddled by Shaitan's influence. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, shared a vivid dream in which he witnessed various scenes symbolizing different aspects of human behavior and divine justice. This dream serves as a powerful reminder of the spiritual significance of dreams and their role in guiding believers. Dream interpretation is both an art and a science. In Islam, true dreams are seen as a form of divine communication, while bad dreams are dismissed as the work of shaitan. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised believers to seek refuge in Allah from the evil of bad dreams and to share good dreams with others. But how can we distinguish between a meaningful dream and a random one? The key lies in the emotions and clarity of the dream. True dreams often leave the dreamer with a sense of peace and clarity, while bad dreams evoke fear and confusion. Ordinary dreams, on the other hand, are often disjointed and quickly forgotten. Dreams are a universal phenomenon transcending time, culture, and religion. They are a window into the soul, a bridge between the mortal and the divine, and a source of endless fascination. Whether you view them through the lens of ancient mythology, Islamic theology, or modern science, one thing is clear. Dreams are more than just random thoughts. They are a profound and mysterious aspect of human existence, offering glimpses into the unseen and the unknown. So the next time you close your eyes and drift into the world of dreams, remember, you are stepping into a realm where the impossible becomes possible, and where the soul embarks on a journey beyond the confines of the physical world. Stay curious, stay open, and who knows? You might just uncover a message from the divine. If you found this exploration of dreams fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the unseen. And tell me in the comments, what's the most vivid or mysterious dream you've ever had? Let's keep the conversation going. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic content. Wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.